This is all you need to know about each planet in the solar system. First, we have the planet Mercury. It is the first planet from the Sun, with a year of 88 Earth days. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is a rocky planet and is covered with craters. It also has no moons. The temperatures on Mercury vary majorly. In the nighttime, the average temperature is -290°F, and in the daytime, temperatures can reach 800°F. Venus is the next planet in the solar system. It is the second planet from the Sun and is the hottest planet in the entire solar system due to its thick atmosphere that traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. As a result, the average temperature on Venus is 864°F. Like Mercury, Venus has no moons. Venus is so hot, in fact, that the longest a probe lasted on it was 110 minutes. Next, there is obviously the planet Earth, which we live on. As far as we know currently, Earth is the only planet that has life. It can support life because of its position in the habitable zone, which, if you don't know, is the area where it is neither too hot nor too cold to support water. It can support it because of its magnetic field, its ozone layer, having the right mass, and many more things that had to be exactly right, or else we wouldn't exist. After Earth, there is the fourth planet from the Sun, Mars. It could have had life and water since 4.5 billion years ago. However, Mars lost its water because it had a weak or no magnetic field, which allowed solar wind to strip away its atmosphere and water vapor. The average temperature is -80°F. It has 2 moons, which are Phobos and Deimos. The fifth planet from the Sun is Jupiter. It is the biggest planet in the solar system. It is so big that it is 2.5 times bigger than all the other planets in the solar system. Combined, it has 79 moons and has 4 rings. A year on, it is 11.9 Earth years. Jupiter also has the biggest storm in the solar system, which is called the Great Red Spot. The next planet from the Sun is Saturn. It is the 6th planet from the Sun and is the second biggest planet in the solar system. Saturn also has the most moons in the solar system, with 146 moons. In comparison, Jupiter has 95 moons currently. It is also famous for its rings, with more rings than any other planet. They are even visible on Earth with a telescope. The rings are 170,000 miles across. Uranus is the next planet. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun and is the 3rd largest planet in the solar system, about 4 times wider than Earth. It is surrounded by a set of 13 rings. It has 27 moons, the largest one being Titania, which is the 8th largest moon in the solar system, and has a surface area comparable to the size of Australia. Finally, we have Neptune. It is the 8th planet from the Sun, which also makes it the farthest planet from the Sun, being an average of 2.5 billion miles away. This is 30 times farther than Earth is to the Sun. Neptune has the fastest wind speeds, with 1,100 miles per hour speeds on average. This is 1.5 times faster than the speed of sound. A year on Neptune is 165 Earth years. That was a guide to all the planets in the solar system. All of them don't have favorable conditions except maybe Mars. But what do you think? Please subscribe for content like this.